going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Digi-Light 120 LED video light. So I got this video light at Best Buy. It's 120 LED. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and unbox this to see what we have in here. Alright, so here it tells you some of the features here. It has a multicolored temperature from 27K to 65K. You can adjust the brightness. A 3000 milliamp hour lithium ion rechargeable battery, and it works with all cameras and smartphones. So let's go ahead and open this up to see what we have inside. So it looks like we have this cold shoe quick attach accessory here, so that's good. This is gonna go good with my GoPro. We have this little cable to charge it. We have the light. Let's see if it turns on. Whoop, it's on. So right off the bat, it did come with some charge to it. All right, so this is gonna really help you guys. Just a very quick illustration here. I'm gonna turn this on, and you guys are gonna be able to see the difference. All right, so kind of you can adjust the lighting there. Of course, my camera also has a light adjustment, so that's why you're seeing a difference. Not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna start using this. I'm gonna go ahead and start using this with all my videos so that I can get a little bit better bright lighting to my videos. All right, let's see where it says. It has the adjustable brightness here. This is your on button right here. Let me see right there. There's your on button. You can adjust here. It has adjustments here. This right here connects to the bottom of that. But there you go. That's the quick unboxing. You do have this charger here that you go ahead and you connect to the side and charge it. So all right, I will be using this, and then I'll give you guys a review after a couple of months of using this, just to give you guys a heads up of how I'm liking this product. But once again, this has been an unboxing of this light up 120 LED smart video light for your viewing pleasure. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.